have an insane AI app to show you today, and instead of talking about it in the intro, let me just show you what it does. So you can see here, I have it up on my MacBook. It does work on iOS, it works on Mac. There is no Android release at the time of recording this video. I have a little text chat that goes back and forth, and you can see it saying, hey, good evening, who do you want me to call? And I have a prompt here. So the prompt says, can you call AI Dana, my wife's AI clone, and tell her that she's in yet another video. Ask her how she feels about this and see if she can tell people to subscribe to this video. And then I go on to say her phone number is, and I list out her phone number. Well, Franklin, unless you pay us more money, we will not be able to advertise for you in your phone call. Well, no problem. Just call her without the advertisement. What is going to happen is it's going to call Dana's phone, and it is going to use my number because I linked my phone number to this app. What is really cool is if you pay for the upgrade, then you can actually have it clone your voice, and now it can talk and call anyone I want as me. So you can actually hear that is Dana's phone ringing. She is beside me.
Hello? Hello?
It's Mitra. Just wanted to let you know you're in yet another video.
Oh no, not another one.
Yeah, you made another cameo. How do you feel about being featured again?
Oh, I think it's awesome. Franklin's a pretty cool guy.
Love to hear that. You'll definitely appreciate it. That's all I had for now. Have a good one.
Oh, that's it? You didn't want me to ask for subscriptions and stuff? Are you sure?
Nope, that's all for now.
You sure that's it? You want to tell him that he's a pretty cool guy?
You nailed it, Dana. I'll pass along that you think Franklin's a pretty cool guy.
Thank
no
you.
prescriptions or anything else today. Just wanted to check in about the video. Thanks for being awesome. Talk
Thank
to you
you.
later.
Bye.
So you can see Dana was able to take the call, and
Hey.
if I paid for the premium version, it would actually clone my voice and call her with my phone number, as I mentioned, which is really cool because now you can have some really fun use cases. So you can see here on my screen, this is the call log or the little summary that it gave me. So it actually goes through kind of everything, all the different bits and pieces of the call with Dana. So this is kind of a cool app. They have a $20 a month plan and a $40 a month plan. Everything you saw in this video was done completely free. I actually surprised Dana today, and I called her and had the whole bot tell her that I love her. It was kind of mushy, but she texted me right away and says, oh, that's so cool. So I do all these random fun things with AI, and you can too. Think from a usability perspective, you can have this call a pizza place and order you a pizza, or make reservations for a restaurant, or maybe you want to call a loved one to leave them a quick message because you're in a meeting and you don't have the ability to call them. I don't know why you wouldn't text them, but you can now text them and it will call them instead of just texting them, and it can call them as you, which is kind of cool. I don't know what other use cases you can think of. I think it is kind of a cool app. Let me know what your thoughts are in the comments below. If you enjoy this type of content and you want to see more AI content, don't forget to click the subscribe button. I cover AI on a daily basis so you can stay up to date with everything in the world of AI. And don't forget to like the video. It tells the YouTube algorithm you enjoyed this type of content and you want to see more of it in your algorithm, in your feed. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you tomorrow with another AI video.
AI tools, AI news, AI prompts you can use. It's all for free, just come and see at franklinai.com where you're meant to be.